In my opinion, people buy a new drone as soon as it comes on the market for no good reason at all. It's just because it's the newest and I have to have it. But do you really have to have it? Is the footage that your drone can get not good enough anymore? Is the new drone so much better that it makes the drone you have obsolete? I don't think so. I think it's just that you've got to have the latest thing. I'm going to test that right now with 3 different drones. This is the Mavic 3. It's the Mavic range of DJI drones which has the best camera you can get on a consumer drone. It's a Hasselblad camera and it's fantastic. It's the flagship camera. You can't get any better. This is my DJI Mini 2. I've had it for 5 years. It's got a great wee 4K camera. It's 5 years older than this. But I think it produces footage that is almost as good as the Hasselblad. Then there's other manufacturers. This is a Potensic Atom 2. It's Potensic's version of the Mini 2. And I'll tell you right now, I've seen the footage of it because it's my drone. It's really, really good. Is it as good as the Mavic 3? Maybe not quite, but it's certainly good enough to use. And I think if you have a mini drone, it might be the Mini 2, it might be the Mini 4K, it might be a Mini 3 Pro, 4 Pro, 5 Pro. You've got a perfectly good drone camera, okay? Not necessarily as good as the flagship Hasselblad camera on the Mavic 3, but if you've got one of these, you shouldn't be going to sleep at night worrying that you don't have the best drone, because you might not have the best drone. There might be features that you don't have on the drone, but the camera is fantastic. And I'm going to show you that right now. So here we go, let's have a look at the footage of these 3 drones.
light rolls in, say quiet and slow. Silver on the soil where the soft winds blow. Hey, the sea's at peace, the no whispering tales of a sky so blue. And I wander by the shoreline, bare feet in the cold sand free, listening to the seabirds crying, singing ancient harmony. By the lighthouse glow, keeping sailors safe frae harm, shining through the darkest night, a guide and faithful charm. The seabirds will abuse me, with their wings say wide and free, picking cockles, mussels, stories frae the heart of Scotland sea. The dunes lie quiet, wrapped in gold, where gulls cry out like tales of old. The waves kiss softly at my feet, as if the sea remembers me, and the wind says, hold your heart light, let the worries drift a while, for this coast is filled with kindness, where the sun meets mist and lull. By the lighthouse glow, keeping sailors safe frae harm, shining through the darkest night, a guide and faithful charm. And the seabirds will abuse me, with their wings say wide and free, picking cockles, mussels, stories frae the heart of Scotland sea. Let the water hum its lullaby, let the moonlight paint the sky. By the lighthouse glow, it guides us home again, through the hush of evening waves and the soft caress of rain. And the seabirds still they dance here, where the world feels wild and free, a wee reminder that we're part of Scotland's soul and Scotland's sea.
So what did you think? You could obviously see a difference there in the three bits of footage, but was one so much better than the other that it means you've got to get this new drone? Or were they pretty much the same? And don't forget, you can add LUTs, you can change the colours, and you can change the brightness, the contrast of all of the footage in your editor. So what do you think? Which one of these was the best, or are they all perfectly acceptable? Thanks for watching. Give us one of those. Cheerio the now.